water slide, guys.
Six Flags Great Escape is such a cool amusement park. We had a lot of fun riding on all the rides, but probably our best part was when we walked around and realized that Hurricane Harbor is connected to the park. It's not two separate entrances, not two separate fees. So we went into Hurricane Harbor and the kids got to ride a few water slides and play in the water. They just went in their clothes. It was totally fine. We found a nice bench to sit in the shade and it was awesome. It was a super great ending to our day.
Just like 10 seconds ago. Oh, I didn't hear it.
Hurricane Harbor had quite a few big water slides, and they also had some smaller water slides for the little kids. They have a lazy river, and they have 3 different areas for kids to play in. One is just a huge pool that you can see right now, with a few water slides coming off. And then there are 2 other locations for smaller kids to play and to get splashed and wet. Really cool.
So great. Pitch black with little lights everywhere. Yeah, and it looked like we were in a portal. Yeah, and we were like going and going and we couldn't see anything, so we were like, where are we? And then we hit this drop. It was crazy. I know. I want to go again.
Totally worth the wait?
Yes.
It took forever.
How long was it?
Like 20, 30 minutes?
Wow. Come on, let's go on a new ride.
Wait, let's talk to Dad. Let's talk to Dad first.
This funnel cake was amazing. It had ice cream on top. It was really good. We loved Six Flags Great Escape, and we loved Hurricane Harbor. It was a fantastic day. At the end, we just sat here and watched the kids play and watched this bucket dump over and over. It was really fun.